Alright everybody, welcome to part 3 of the Dawn of Predacus box set from Botcon 2016. And here we have the first of the Predacus Council, General Cicadacon. Or at least I'm saying it right. Cicadacon? Yeah, so he's based off the Combiner Wars skydive mold as a red hand-foot gun, a gray gun that was included with this mold. And yeah, so the original Beast Wars one was a cicada insect, and they homaged that. It's like nicely, but with the wings, have like an insect pattern in the wings, which is really neat as a callback to that. And yeah, overall, red color scheme with lots of grays and the charcoal yellow details there. Yeah, very nice looking jet, all red with those nice insect things going for it. Let's get them transformed. I'm not sure if all the customs I've been handling, but these feel very, very smooth. Almost too loose in a way. There, rotate the head, and there we go. There we got the robot mode. And this one is interesting because he's the only one in this set which doesn't have a new head. Apparently they just decided to keep the skydive head, which works for the character. They had a somewhat similar head design going. Yeah, so there. As you can see, he's got the regular skydive head. Nice gray on the chest. Gray on the legs, charcoal arms, yeah, and very well designed color layout, I'd say. And yeah, doesn't seem to have a Predacon insignia in robot mode that I can see. So, but yeah, it's Cicadacon for you, General Cicadacon. So, very cool figure based on a skydive. This set even has the same head. This is the only one in the set that has like the same head, unlike the others which all have a new head. And that was the first of the Predacus Council, and now we'll move on to the next one. Alright, stay tuned for the next one.